Hey guys, this spring has been epic. We welcomed thousands of new friends to the big Arden grand opening celebration of both the lake house and the farm. Ever since last fall, we've grown all sorts of veggies and shared them with everyone at Arden. And we've hosted some really fun parties and cool workshops along the way too.
The last few months have been a whirlwind. It's been a lot of hard work building the farm infrastructure over the first season, but Freehold and the Lifestyle team have been so supportive. Not to mention all the awesome families that continue to show up, support their community farm, and really make Arden what it is.
Yeah, this community is growing so fast, and the Arden farm is ready to pump up production and meet the growing demand. But as excited as we are about the future, right now, as this first season comes to a close, we want to recap some of the amazing events we've shared together so far this spring. So let's rewind back to February and the run up to our grand opening celebration. Ready? Here we go.